All you need is baking soda and a lemon. Start out by cutting the lemon in half. But be careful. Since there's acid in the lemon, you have to be sure to not brush your teeth within a half an hour of using this. Okay, take a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and mix them together in the bowl. Put a paper towel on your finger. But you have to remember though, since all teeth whiteners can be harmful to your enamel, do not keep it on for longer than 2 minutes. Do not abuse this. Now let's put it on our teeth. Start the clock.
And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn.
Now just rinse it out and we are done. If you try this out, tweet or Instagram me the before and afters with hashtag RCLTeeth. I want to see how it worked out for you.